Good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff. We're kicking off with a rail. Hopefully be stainless. She is. We got an AC in here from over the weekend. Probably gonna have to slide it up. I don't know. We're gonna come up here though, because I think I seen the world's largest Rolodex. I know. That's old school for those of you that know what that is. But I'm pretty sure that's a Rolodex, right? No, it's not. It's a fan, I think. I'm gonna call it a fan. Why? Because we're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So take a moment and smash that like button for our Rolodex fan. We're gonna get after her today. Today we're gonna do a shorty quickie because we've got this AC to take apart, and I've already got a call from my guy. We picked that up over the weekend, and he's got another one for me this morning. So we're going to run about, see what we can find, and then of course go after guaranteed cash. But let's find some junks first. Got ourselves a table, and the glass actually is going to come off on this one. It's pretty nice. And we'll take aluminum table on top of that. All right, let's roll. All right, got our first taste of real scrap. Oh boy. We worked hard this weekend at the house, guys, I can tell you that. Don't mess my broom up, come on. Onward. All right, we got a chance at some stainless here. Come on, baby, be stainless. Work with me here. Yes. Oh, I love Mondays. We'll take a stainless dishwasher. Oh, she's nice and heavy too. Holy Toledo. Come on, one more. Alrighty. Stainless dishwasher in the vehicle. Let's roll. We just lost like, I don't know, 45 minutes. We had a hole in our tire. I got out at the last stop and I could hear psh. I'm like, that's not good. Not good. Not good at all. So we went, we got that fixed. And while we were there, he gave us some rims, he gave us a muffler, he gave us a couple of rotors. So we got some unintentional scrap. We came back out to see what we could find. But we did lose some valuable time on what's probably gonna be a slightly shorter than average day. Oh my gosh, this is all extruded too. Oh, we don't have much steel today. Grill steel. We got the beautiful, what's it called? Dishwasher. The stainless. We got a nice big fat door now. I don't know that I'm gonna take this apart. All depends on how much time we got left. There we go. New and improved wall. Onward. A little bulky and awkward, huh? These are almost savable. Pretty nice looking, but they're not in great shape. One can go there. Let's move you up yonder so the other one doesn't get you. You're gonna pop off. Yes, you are. Sweet. Yeah, these are both going to be steel. Sweet. All right, let's roll. It's an IKEA rail, but we're gonna get her. She's metal. All right, onward. Yeah, it's a bit thin out here today. We're gonna grab the bits we can. Oh, a remote. This is an old TV though. All right, let's take the remote. We'll look this guy up, and for some reason there's comms. I'll put it right here. Onward. Got a couple more things here. This side's get ourselves a shop vac with cord. Get back in there, cord. You get in there, hose. And a big old fan. What we got in here? That dog thing's pretty nice. You got food in you? You do. I don't know if I want the food, but I kind of want this container. Containers are like 40 bucks. We'll take it to the feed Jeffy's rats with that stuff. This thing's pretty big. It's not very heavy at all. Onward. Keep filling up with these bits. These are good bits too that we've been finding today. They've either been small and heavy or non-ferrous. Except for those chairs, which are super awkward. Look, there's a whole refrigerator set. We'll leave the refrigerator for somebody else though. We're gonna slide to the next pile. I think there's some more bits in the next pile. Not much. It looked like it might have been a picker when I drove by, but after first glance, probably just some bits. Let's see. Hopefully I'm wrong. And it's a picker, but first glance said no, Matt. Not a picker. Let's see. Oh, I saw these bottles in here. I was like, yeah, there could be dishes in here. There we go. Take you. You guys can go inside there, I guess. These are so popular, the little waffle makers. We'll take you. Anybody else? Anybody else metal? Skizzers. Okay, that's it there. What we got here? That paint cover, that's right there, is $9 probably. That guy's on Shark Tank. We're gonna take the rolls. You know how expensive painting supplies are? Oh, there's a unlock. Open sesame. You guys are going back here because we're not unlocked. But where did I see it? Oh, this is for putting in screens. That thing right there is 10 bucks new, but I don't mind having extra ones at the house. Got a cooler. Ooh, I wonder if those are empty or full, those coal packs. Oh, some free screen. Yes. I love free stuff. The Nikes in here? Nope. Nope. Oh. I'm not taking that today, guys. It looks pretty darn delicious, but box full of shoes. You could get cold packs in here. Value size, they are in here. That one's not even open yet. That one is open. What do we got in here? What do we got in here? Something, there's a fart machine in here, I think. There's something making really weird noises. I know PJ's like, take that. Tanned and tipsy. I want to find that machine that was making the noise. Maybe not. Box of rocks. It's not making that noise anymore. Maybe it was me! I kid, it wasn't, not me. Alright, well, I'm gonna take this and we're gonna get out of here. Alright, so you guys can go over there. You can go over there since the back's closed. Onward! It'd be total disappointment. Come on, computers, be in here. Don't just be boxes. Oh, they're just boxes for the computers. Come on, pool pump, be there. Pool pump's gone. No! Totally nothing. Boo. Stopped this one. I saw this bag sitting there. I was like, oh, this bag will be kind of cool. Wasn't gonna film it, but hey, guess what, guys? It's a Canon camera. It's a Rebel T3. We'll look that up and we'll put the comp right here. I'm hoping it's worth a lot. We actually just sold my wife's nice camera. And then there's this. I thought this was nothing. I thought it was just a plastic box. It's not. It's a DVD player or something of some sort. We'll have to look that up too. And then on top of that, are we unlocked? Yes, we're unlocked. I wasn't gonna come in for it because I was like, it's just boxes, right? This is what it'll look like. That one box was sitting right here. And that was it, but there's this box here that's full of camera lights and such. So I'm gonna use this for my eBay stuff to make better lights. It's got shades, it's got all kind of good stuff. And then to top it off, they've got this box of extra food that will drop off at our blessing box area for people to scavenge through for some free foods. So a much better stop than I had originally thought. Sorry guys, I do that sometimes. Onward. Alrighty guys, we've made it to the yard. Oh, I need clippers, dang it. How you doing, brother? You just take a little vacation from here and then come back? Oh crap, it's in the back. So we're gonna get unloaded and go pick up our AC and stuff like that. We've got this crane permanently in the yard lately. Okay. All the people's calling me now once I get out of the car. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait, guys. Do a spoon a little bit. My AC would have been taken down. Going to Jeffy first. But it's not. I can't. Check these. I think they're steel. Yeah. These came from the car place too. They look kind of aluminum though, don't they? I think they're just galvanized. I want to stick something down in there. I don't think it's the right stuff, but no, she's empty. Ooh. Battery on it. Huh. That's interesting. It's like a little battery. I'll probably take that as heavy. Don't fall in my car. Hoo-yah! Still falling towards my car. Torch guy's back. You guys didn't know who that was I was talking to. This I picked up with the air conditioners, this fencing. That's where a lot of my weight came from actually. So these guys are heavy. Ugh. Come on, guys. Really? Woo. All right, I think that's it, guys. Get this stuff back up here and get the AC taken care of. Catch you over at Jeffrey's. Let's do some NFJ! All right, I'm hanging up on you.
All right, later, bro. I'll catch you later.
All right, have a good one, brother.
All right, you too.
You need to back up? No, you good? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
How we doing?
Just peachy, Jeff. How are we doing?
We're doing. Green aluminum.
Green aluminum. This is gonna go as clean, right?
Yeah.
Instead of extruded. This one too. Ah, get off my back, Jeff.
Rules are rules.
Rules are rules. I'll give you a rule. This, which goes away, this is extruded or no? Yeah. What's this? I don't want Jeff to get. I don't want Jeff to cry. Don't want Jeff to cry. I don't got time to clean my metal, bro. I don't.
All you got is time, sir.
Dude, I busted my hump this weekend.
Yeah, moving.
Not moving, getting stuff cleared out, man.
You're moving stuff.
Come on, screw. There you go. Ugh. These are gonna go as just clean, right?
Hold on, I'm gonna show you.
Why are you switching metals on me, brah?
Because you're getting a file here and you don't have no clean.
Yeah.
You still got a crap ton of stuff to move, don't you?
What is that? Dude. It's like, check that for me, please. Womp, womp, womp. A monkey.
A monkey.
See how smart I am, Jeff?
Dishwasher, that's
Baby. Yeah, baby. Hey, I got some rat food for you.
What?
Rat food.
Rat food?
Yeah, I got traps at the house. I'm gonna bring them back when I come back later. I gotta get up to Sanford to pick up an AC. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Now steel?
Like, that's heavy.
My good clippers, dude. That's heavy.
What?
That's heavy. That's heavy.
What's heavy?
That, right?
That goes light. That goes light.
All right.
Cut you a little slack.
All right. Oil? Is this ready over here?
You like Jacob's steel units?
Where'd you get those from, man? Are those the government ones?
I don't know where you got those.
He had a pickup this weekend.
He had 13 pumps.
Dude, he killed it. Killed it.
1,300.
I know. And that's just what he turned in today. That doesn't count. Yeah, he killed it this weekend.
Somebody found him on Google.
Yeah, I know. And I tried multiple times. I want this container, but you can have the rat food. I'll leave this here. I'll get it later.
What's that?
Rat food.
Bad rat food?
No, good rat food.
Dog food, right?
Rat food.
Yeah.
It'll work. It'll work for your traps. I think I got 4.
I saw something called a moose. A moose. Or a mouse.
The mouth?
A mouse. It's like an all-natural rat repellent.
Really?
It's got like citronelle or linseed oil and some other stuff.
Why'd you take that hose off? I needed the extra weight.
I didn't take the hose off.
It came off on its own. Ugh. Ooh. 64.
For unsealed.
Starts by getting here.
138.
Why did the farmer name his pig Ink?
It's got something to do with the oink. Oink backwards.
He kept running out of the pen.
Why is it bad to iron a 4-leaf clover?
No idea.
Because you should never press your luck.
Pressure luck.
That's
I
a good
like
game
that
show,
one.
too.
How do you organize your nails?
My color.
You file them.
File them. What did one hat say to the other?
You go on ahead.
Wait here.
Wait here.
Oh, I'm going ahead.
Why did the boy eat his sneakers?
I need the boy eat this thing. I don't know.
He was in the mood for some fast food.
Those are bad.
Alrighty guys, we're weighed and paid. We're stuck behind the refilling the oxygens and the propanes, and I think this is just oxygen though, for the tanks, for the torches here. So we have to sit here and wait. So we figure we'd just do our outro while we're sitting here waiting. Story of my life today, hurry up and wait. So not a bad day. We're still going up to get that AC. once we get out of here, but we're not gonna make it back in time to do anything with that. So we're just gonna make this first run our run. We did get the flat tire, which slowed us down a bit. We got that fixed to get back out there. We did good weight-wise. I was really kind of surprised. The AC was a lot of weight, of course, but all those poles and pipes and things like that, and the extrusion is gonna be pretty nice as well. But let's dive into our receipt. 760 pounds, 7 cents a pound for $53.20. Clean aluminum he gave me on the dirty extruded, and we had a little bit of clean too. 28 pounds, 45 cents a pound for $12.60. Extrusion, we had 42 pounds in that mess. 67 cents a pound for $28.14. Irony light was our dirty aluminum. 20 pounds, 33 cents a pound for $6.60. Irony heavy was the dishwasher, and I think we had a alternator or something in there as well. He set something on top of it. It was so we picked up from one of the spots. Whew. 95 pounds, 25 cents a pound for $23.75. And the sealed unit came out of the AC. 64 pounds, 22 cents a pound for $14.08, for a grand total of $138.37. Boom! We'll take it. We didn't quite make our 1,000 pounds of tin, but we're pretty close. And we still got works to do. We got works to do once we get home as well. So and we've already started doing some cleanup in the rain, and it's been raining on and off. Hopefully we can get the stuff loaded and unloaded before it starts pouring. But what happens happens. Hope you guys enjoyed the run today. Make sure to smash that thumbs up if you have not done so already. I love watching them change these things, especially when stuff's flying all over the place. That guy's definitely getting his extra oxygen on a daily basis. But remember, it's Nacho Stuff. That doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy. We'll see you guys then.